morning, children. In the previous class, we have seen what is Panchayat Raj system. Panchayat Raj system is a three-tier system which consists three levels. So in Panchayat Raj system, we see the administration at village level and also block level and also district level. So in village level, you have seen the Panchayati, that is what particularly Gram Panchayat. In block, that is Mandal level, that is block samitis or Panchayati samitis, and district Jilla Parishads. And what is Gram Panchayat and how it is headed by Sarpanch, and what are the compulsory functions and voluntary functions of Gram Panchayat, and what are the sources of Gram Panchayat, and who is the officer appointed by the government in order to look after all the accounts of Gram Panchayat. All we have seen in the previous class. In today's class, how the administration goes on at district level. See, in order to give administration throughout the country, the entire country is divided into states. Again, states into districts. Again, districts into mandals. Under every mandal, you can find some villages. In such a way, in order to give administration even to the rural level also, the entire country is divided into so many units. Under such units, particularly in the rural administration, which is the apex body. The apex body in the rural administration is, that is what a Jilla Parishad. This is a very important thing. Which is the apex body in the rural administration means Jilla Parishad. So in Jilla Parishad, particularly, that is the entire district is governed by the Jilla Parishad. That is, this entire district administration goes in the name of district collector. The district collector particularly performs two important functions. Under his supervision only, he looks after the sources of revenue to the district, and also he supervises the functioning of Panchayat Raj system. Supervising functioning of this Panchayat Raj system means he looks after how the Panchayati administration is going on, how the administration is going on under the blocks, and again the entire district. In this way, the entire district administration runs on the name of district collector. So district collector plays very important role in carrying the district administration. So in order to assist him, in order to give good administration to the entire district, he is assisted by Tehsildars. He is assisted by whom? Tehsildars. So in order to give administration to all the other units of the district, the entire district is divided into the tehsils or talukas. That means I am not particularly mentioning about Andhra Pradesh. I am mentioning about the entire India. If you come to our Andhra Pradesh, you may not find the talukas. You may find that is mandals. You may find mandals. So, but according to our textbook, the entire district is divided into tehsils or talukas. And what is the important function of the Tehsildar means? Tehsildar assists district collector particularly in carrying the revenue functions, particularly under his supervision only. That is, the collection of revenue is done particularly under the supervision of Tehsildars. So Tehsildar supervises all the revenue activities particularly in mandals. That means in every mandal you may find one Tehsildar who actually collect, who is responsible for the collection of revenue. So under his supervision only, that means Tahsildar assisted district collector in carrying the administration, particularly in mandals. And coming to and what are the other important? So administration does not mean only collection of taxes. Even the other important function also there. In district we have to maintain law and order. So one side we have seen the revenue department. Another side we have to see the police department. So in police department, how the police department actually functions means, for the entire state there should be one head. Who is the head here? That is DGP. That is Director General of Police. For the entire state, who is the head? Director General of Police. That is DGP. Under him, in the district level, you may find Superintendent of Police. That is SP. Under his supervision, that is Deputy Superintendent of Police, DSP. Under him, you may find Circle Inspector, CI. Under him, in different levels, you may find sub-inspectors, assistant sub-inspectors, and also police constables, all you find. In this way, the law and order is also maintained in a district level, that is with the help of particularly Superintendent of Police. That is Superintendent of Police actually assist the district collector, help the district collector to maintain law and order in the district. In such a way, the district administration goes in a smooth way with the help of these people. So revenue department we have seen, and police department we have seen, and after having a little idea about the district, if you go regarding the revenue, how the revenue collection, how the government collects revenue, particularly at the village level, means there is one officer called Patwari at village level. So Patwari at village level was the responsible person who actually collects that is taxes from the people at village level. So even there is Khasra, a term here, Khasra, the term which explains, which is related to, that is what, a land record. It is a land record. Khasra means land record. In land record, particularly in Khasra, what we find? The details of the lands. That means who is the owner of the land, how much land actually he has got, and does it come under wetland or dry land, under which survey number it is. In such all details are maintained in this Khasra, which means land record. So in such a way, even the revenue administration particularly goes on even at a village level also. So the entire district administration particularly goes on with the under the supervision of district collector. So district collector plays very important role in the district administration. And in the next session, in the next class, how the administration goes on, particularly in the urban areas, particularly in towns and cities. We will see that in the next class. Thank you.